Filipino.
Hello, female cow. And what's that? Hey, what's that? Okay, this is the baby cow. Hello, baby cow. And this is the horse. Come on, horsey, horsey.
Stand behind the horse.
Oh, no, no. I don't want to be kicked by that horse. Hi, horsey,
Go
horsey.
walk over here. Come on, follow me.
Hello. It's the three donkeys. Good morning. Chicken, chicken, chicken. Ooh. Okay, we have the American, we have the Filipino cows. What is that?
I don't know what kind of cow it is.
Remember we called them before the horses Blondie?
Yeah.
Right, what's that?
Craig was saying one of them bit Rebecca. So
The donkey?
yeah, the donkey.
Oh, so it's the donkey that beat Rebecca.
Yeah.
Hi. Donkey.
You gonna dehorn them, Greg, or you gonna let them grow their horns?
Oh, I ain't dehorning them. The two cattle, the two females,
Seems
no,
like-
I'm not doing theirs. And the two small bulls, they're to eat. I'm gonna
Hi.
eat them.
The small babies?
Yeah.
Yeah, that ain't bulls. That's females, right?
Yeah, why
Yeah.
they have horn, this one don't
I
have
didn't
horn.
realize it. I didn't realize the females have the horn.
She got, she, huh? This is she.
Yeah, it's a she.
She got the horn.
Yeah.
Huh?
No, why don't you keep the other bulls if the other ones
I'm gonna eat them. I got them to eat.
Yeah, but I mean those are expensive if you let them grow, huh?
I can get money back if I feed them up
Okay,
to be a big bull. I can probably get 800 to 1,000.
So these are cows?
Yeah.
These are cows.
So those
That's
three are the
all.
males.
The one's a Holstein, the black and white one's a Holstein, 100%, and that's a brown Jersey bull.
The donkeys are ready. Look, look, look at the donkeys.
Following the food. They ain't worried about
They're ready to eat. Look at this baby, baby. Look at him, look at him. Hi.
Yep.
Hello. Hi. There you go. They're ready to eat. Follow the food. There you go. They're ready to eat. They follow the food. I don't understand. Bull,
Bull is the male, the one that
but they're same family.
fertilizes the females that have the babies.
Okay, they are also same like cow. It's just that bull are the male and cows are the female.
Yeah.
Okay. What? Looking at me? You're looking at me?
No, she's just starting, I guess.
He's follow the food again. Look at him. Oh, look at Watch the horse, baby, okay?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, as long as you ain't close to the back of him. So he turns his head and watches you too. As long as you ain't standing right there by the back of him.
What are you so sad for? Why are you scared of me? Let it feed you. You're a little scary cat. Yeah, you're a little scary cat. You're a wild little thing. Come on.
Hi, horsey. Look at his ears. That's how this horse sounds, right? Look at him. Also, you don't have to worry with the horse. No need to tie him, right?
No,
Y'all letting them bulls buffalo?
Oh.
I got this bull for $15. He was a baby. We were bottle feeding him.
Look at how the horse.
really? Wow, he's small then, huh?
He was small. Come on. They see it.
What's the difference between I wanted the bull meat and the female meat?
No different at all.
They ain't no.
He's looking at me because he knows I'm taking a video.
Yeah, you like that? Huh? You like that feed? You like that? That's a good girl, yeah. You feed, baby. You feeding for that baby too. You got. You're pregnant. You steady eat. Daddy gonna. Yeah. I'm gonna stop. That wood line there? Yeah, that's the street right there on the other side. Barbed wire fence on the other side.
But I mean, you could put that. What I'm getting at is that electric fence. You could put through the woods there, and you could put them pigs in that section.
I know.
Clean that hole.
You can do what goes. I'm not worried about that.
But I mean, you want to clear land out, you know.
Same thing over there. One piece of tin, and that's gonna give
Yeah,
them.
what is that? All 2x8? You got
This ain't bad walking.
fill it water. No, this ain't bad. And you got your little tractor and everything. This nice little fucking four-wheel. I mean, four-wheel to run around on the property.
Over there, over there, over there, over there.
What is this right here? A tiller?
In my hay. You know, tell it. When I push on them, let it get 2 or 3 days dry. Once it gets dry, I come and I hook up to this right here. I hook up to it, and these wheels turn. You engage it right here, and it kicks the ground, it kicks the grass to one row. You just I can give them their shot.
I got
And when they're gonna get pissed and they're gonna kick and all that, then I can just release them. They'll go. The next one do the same.
Yeah.
That way I can give them their shots twice a year. I need it, dude. If I got it, I gotta do it. You know.
Yeah, you gotta do what you gotta do.
Hey, are them donkeys over there? No, that's still a black cow.
Two over there.
1, 2,
Oh yeah, they here.
3.
Damn.
Put your head in the paper, you're gonna have the mushrooms come this spring. You know, had the mushrooms. All the trippers out there, I got the mushrooms for sale.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. We're here in my brother-in-law's ranch, 29-acre land. Got his farm,